Introducing the all-new NanoFoamer V2 and NanoFoamer Lithium. Two entirely new nanofoamers re-engineered from the ground up, with over 16 improvements and new features. These are the best nanofoamers ever. The V2 is an upgrade to our original nanofoamer, and the Lithium is our new rechargeable version. We started by giving them more powerful motors.
The V2 is 25% stronger, while the Lithium is 300% more powerful and spins so fast we had to give it a 2-speed option to slow it down.
The new motors are also built to a tighter tolerance, improving the shaft's stability. In addition, the motor housing is now beautifully enclosed in premium brushed stainless steel. The new nanoscreens snap on with a satisfying click, and the new replaceable impeller is now made from polycarbonate. Our brand new digital switch is entirely effortless, allowing you to focus all your attention on your foaming process. The inside is as beautifully designed as the outside, with all premium components and sonically welded seams. The batteries on the V2 fit directly inside the handle to reduce vibrations, while the Lithium charges via USB-C. Waterproofing to level IP4 makes cleaning safe and easy. We even made the protective hood and wall mount fit a little tighter. And finally, the premium gift box of the NanoFoamer Lithium further elevates the unboxing experience. Now let's see what you can do with the all-new nanofoamers.